In India, spirituality and religion are the part of people's everyday life. Personal devotional belief, rituals, and temple worship have created the most amazing architecture. India is known for its rich past and cultural heritage. According to the information from the Indian government's Ministry of External Affairs, the earliest theory of yoga was developed by the Indus Saraswati civilization in northern India around 2700 BC. The center, since the last few years, has made notable changes to revamp the wellness sector.
Are you all prepared for our discussion today on Health and Wellness Center and facilities in Indian states and union territories? Let's start our discussions with a mantra meaning health and wellness. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhina Sarve Santu Niramaya. The meaning of this sentence is may all be happy and may all be free from illness.
Health and Wellness Center means an establishment that offers health services for the body and mind, including fitness, personal training, nutrition, consulting, skincare services, massage, holistic and herbal therapies.
Wellness is the act of practicing healthy habits on a daily basis to attain better physical and mental health outcomes, so that instead of just surviving, one is thriving. To understand the significance of wellness, it's important to understand how it's linked to health and how both of them also differ.
In understanding the difference between health and wellness, in short, health is a state of being, whereas wellness is the state of living a healthy lifestyle. Health refers to physical, mental, and social well-being. Wellness aims to enhance well-being. Wellness is the state of being in good health, especially as an actively pursued goal.
A wellness center is an establishment where healing options are available for both the mind and the body. A wellness center usually offers skincare services and body services such as fitness, personal training, and nutrition consulting.
What are the four types of wellness? The four dimensions. Spiritual wellness. Spiritual wellness means achieving harmony with one's surroundings and balancing one's personal needs with the needs of others. Spiritual strength is that force that drives us to make sacrifices for others, our nation, and the greater good. Emotional wellness. Emotional wellness refers to building an awareness of and accepting one's feelings and moods.
Physical wellness. Physical wellness consists of recognizing the need for physical activities, healthy foods, and sleep, as well as preventing illness and injury or managing chronic health conditions. Social wellness. It refers to the relationships we have and how we interact with others. Social wellness involves building healthy, supportive relationships as well as fostering a genuine connection with those around you.
Ayushman Bharat or Healthy India National Initiative was launched as recommended by National Health Policy 2017 to achieve the vision of universal coverage UHC. This initiative has designed on the lines as to meet SDG and its underlining commitment, which is leave no one behind.
In 2018, our Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi inaugurated the first Health and Wellness Center at Jangla, Bijapur district, Chhattisgarh.
India has operationalized 75,532 Ayushman Bharat Health and Wellness Center so far, despite the COVID-19 pandemic, and it is on track to functionalize 1.5 lakh HWCs by December 2022.
HWCs provide with the following services: medication services, physical health screening, self-help and peer support services, mental health services, education and employment, and healthy living activities.
Wellness centers. Post-pandemic, many tourists are looking for medical and wellness tourism destinations to rejuvenate mind, body and soul. With centuries-old proven healing treatments through Ayurveda, yoga and naturopathy, India is one of the most popular global destinations for wellness and medical tourists seeking a holistic break at an affordable rate.
From the mountains of the Himalayas to the coastal stretches of Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Goa, India is home to a variety of treatment centers, spa resorts and wellness retreats offering preventive healthcare, stress management, fitness packages and detox therapies.
Ananda in Himalayas. Ananda is one of the most popular luxury spa resorts in the country. It offers a variety of suites as well as independent villas surrounded by the Sal forest. Specialities. Ananda offers 80 varieties of spa therapies including various Ayurvedic treatments: Abhyanga, Shrodhara, Shloka, Takradhara, Mukhleba. Its team of experts, doctors, nutritionists, yoga instructors and therapists help create tailor-made packages to address the wellness needs of their guests.
Jindal Nature Cure Institute, set up on 100 acres of land on the outskirts of Bengaluru city with a variety of natural treatments. It promises to tackle health issues like cholesterol, obesity, skin problems, arthritis, and addictions. Specialities. The treatments are non-invasive, drugless, and combine natural medicines with yoga, diet therapy, physiotherapy, and acupuncture.
Somathiram Ayurveda Resort. Ayurveda is one of the oldest medical systems in the world, and Kerala is often recognized as the center of its practice. Somathiram Ayurveda Resort, set up in 15 acres of Chovara Beach, has a range of Ayurvedic treatments for ailments and boasts of an Ayurveda hospital and training center.
Specialities: Ayurveda treatments, Panchakarma treatments, Ayurvedic body care, Ayurvedic beauty care, yoga and meditation, diet and medicines. The resort manufactures its range of natural medicines using locally sourced herbs. Three-time winner of the National Award from the Government of India as India's best Ayurveda wellness center.
Atmantan is a luxury spa resort specializing in therapies that are rooted in Ayurveda as well as Western wellness treatments, boasting a wellness cuisine that is both nutritious and mouth-watering. The resort encourages eating habits that feeds the mind as well as the body. Specialities: the fitness facilities include a physiotherapy wing, a high-tech gymnasium, a saltwater pool, functional studio, spinning studio, yoga, pilates and dance studios.
Happiness is the highest form of health, and a healthy lifestyle is the most potent medicine at one's disposal. Prevention has always been better than cure, and our wellness centers help us attain that. Healthy citizens are the greatest asset any country can have.
Excellent, children. It was a very informative discussion. Let's learn one more interesting topic next time and learn